Hello, hello, beautiful peoples! Hi guys, I'm back. I'm back with this box. So mag-unboxing tayo ng parcel ko from China. It's a Shungpaila. So wait lang. It's, well, ano talaga ha? Yun. Okay. Okay. Well, balot, well, bubble wrap, and I'm so excited. I just can't type it. Unboxing na naman. Parcel na naman. Nag-flex na naman siya. Eh, ano ngayon? Joke. Hayaan nyo na. Hindi ko naman kayo inaano. Para meron naman tayong ibang topics, 'di ba? Unboxing lang tayo pero iba-iba, hindi pare-pareho. So what's this? What's in this? This is a ring, bangle ring. And since minsan I find it hard wearing this, so kailangan natin ng tawag dito na lang para hindi ganun kaano. Oh, it's cute, but I think it's kind of big. So this is a ring, an obsidian. Okay. So research nyo na lang kung ano ibig sabihin ng obsidian. So ano tayo niyan? It came from a volcano. So rock to siya. So tignan natin kung saan siya kakasya. Masyadong malaki. Oh. Nice. Maganda siya. Lah. Parang I'm going to buy another one. Ang cute. Umabot na naman tayo 3 minutes nito. Yeah. Diba? Substitute siya. Minsan kasi nangangati yung leg ko eh. So, dito na lang para, ano naman siya, oy. Aesthetic. O, diba? Kahit tong rubber band, aesthetic din. If pagod na dun sa daliri, dito naman sa thumb. Oh, nice. It still is very cute. So i-research ko lang kung saan kamay siya supposed to be worn. Basta it's a protection, grounding stone. So far, gustuhan ko naman yung aking this is from Lazada kasi yung sa Shopee, nahihirapan ako maghanap ng there are other designs but I think this one suits the everyday diba? Ang cute. Di ako nagsisi. Okay, so that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next unboxing videos. Marami akong i-unbox. So, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. God bless everyone. Bye.